What's going on, guys? Kyle here. I just wanted to do a quick update today because today is a very special day for me because today is the day that I finally hit 100 ad packs. I've been waiting for this for a long time and the day's finally here. So real quick, just catching up. As you can see, I've made 3641, that's 3,641 USD so far in just 4 months, completely passively. But I wanted to go back to my dashboard to show you right here. I have 99 ad packs, so I'm pretty excited about this, and I wanted to do this live right now. So I'm gonna go over to here to new ad packs. I have $107 in my Futurenet, FutureAdPro account right now. So I'm gonna go to buy new ad packs, $50. I always buy the $50 ad packs. I don't buy the $10 ad packs because they're 80% slower. So yes, they're cheaper, but they're a lot slower. They both give you 120%, both of them. But the $50 are just way faster, and I'd rather get my money faster than slower. I don't know about you. So, okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, buy. Successful, okay. Refresh the page. And, oh, hold on. And there we go. 101 ad packs. And I have $7.49 still in my account. Guys, this is freaking awesome. Do you know what this means? 100 ad packs, okay? An ad pack produces about 50 cents a day, give or take, okay? It's between 0.75% and 1.25%, which on average is 1%. 1% is 50 cents. So at 100 ad packs, that means that I'm making $50 a day, which means that I can buy a new ad pack every single day. That's 50 cents a day that I'll be making. All right, 50 cents, right? That's not a lot, but it adds up though. You know what I'm saying? 50 cents a day, 30 days, you know what I'm saying? And you keep adding on top of it because I'm going to keep buying a new ad pack every day. Right? I mean, what's going to happen when I have 200 ad packs or 400 ad packs, you know? When you're making $200 a day passively, that's pretty incredible. I think this business is amazing. You know, FutureAdPro, they've been around for 4 years now. How many other rev shares do you know that have been around for 4 years, let alone maybe 3 months? Do you know why these other programs don't work like FutureAdPro? They don't work because FutureAdPro is actually just a small side business of FutureNet. FutureNet is basically like, imagine a Facebook that you get paid to post. You get paid to comment, like, share, upload videos, right? Well, this is a side of FutureNet. FutureNet already has third-party advertisers. You see, look. Here's an ad right here from Trintelix. Here's an ad here from Spectrum, okay? So they don't actually need your money. So it's not like a pyramid Ponzi scheme like some of these other rev shares, you know? The problem with those rev shares is that when somebody comes in at the bottom, okay, that pays for the guy up top. But what happens when they stop recruiting? Well, the pyramid crumbles because there's no more money coming in, right? FutureAdPro, that's not a problem. Because even without your money, they still have third-party advertisers. So that's awesome. It's a really genius idea. FutureNet has many different products. They have their own cafe, like where you can actually eat food. They're opening their own bank. They're releasing their own cryptocurrency, FutureCoin. They have all different types of portals. Cloud space storage, they have different blog and website builders. I mean, this is not all they have. So what's awesome about being able to participate in this program is that you earn, well, globally, 1% of the global revenue is distributed among everybody, okay? So you do have your ups and down days. You know, maybe one day you'll get $30, the next day you'll get $40. You know, there is a fluctuation. But what's awesome is that for every $50 you put in, you get back $60. That's 120% return, okay? So what I recommend is going in with a pretty solid startup. You know, I've had some people, they've come in, you know, with $50, literally, and they're making 50 cents a day. I mean, yeah, you're going to eventually get your $60, but, you know, when I first came in, I came in with $1,800. That's what I had at the time. I was doing a bunch of other stuff. I wish I had came in with like $5,000, but, you know, like anything, you're not sure about it. You don't want to just jump into something without testing the waters, because I've been scammed before and I've been burned before, okay? So with FutureAdPro, you know that you have a pretty solid app. Platform is amazing. I've done 3 separate payouts. I tested it, you know, because you want to make sure that it works, right? So I've been paid out 3 separate occasions just to test it. No problem. I paid myself out to Bitcoin, okay? But you can also pay yourself out to a bank as well, whatever you choose to do. It's completely up to you. For example, you would go over here to business. You would go over here to payout, okay? And look, you can get paid out in Bitcoin, Payza, 2Pay for you, Perfect Money, NetTeller, bank transfer, whatever it is that you want. I mean, you know, and you can see down here, look, here's my 3 times I paid myself out. Every time it worked, no hassles. What's awesome about FutureAdPro is if you have any issues with the with any technical issues and you just want to message the team, you know what I'm saying, or message customer service, they've gotten back to me in like, you know, less than, I mean, a couple hours. You know what I mean? You know, what I like about FutureAdPro is they're active, they're out there, they're busy. This right here is my team that I've built. Okay, I have 21 members so far. But honestly, most of the income that I made was very passive. It was extremely passive. As you can see right here, most of these people haven't even bought Adpacks yet. I don't know what they're waiting for. This guy's got 6 and this guy's got 1. So as you can see, I only made 24 plus 4, $28 from recruiting. So, I mean, $28 from recruiting and hold on, let me check my business again. $28 from recruiting and $3,641 passively. So, I mean, you can recruit if you want. I mean, I'm trying to build a team right now. That's what I'm trying to do right now. But realistically, you can make so much money just completely passively from this company that you don't need to recruit. You don't need to know how to do marketing. You don't need to be good at sales. You know, that was one of the things that I had struggled with. Was it was really aggravating how, you know, these network marketers would be like, oh, it's so easy to make like $100 and freaking whatever dollars. And it's like, yeah, easy for you. You've been doing it since 1998. You have a freaking email list of like 50,000 people. What about for the average Joe like me? You know what I'm saying? So I struggled with a lot of network marketing, and, you know, I made a few sales, but nothing has come close to even what I've been able to make with FutureAdPro right now. And the crazy thing is, I just bought, I mean, I have, as you can tell right now, I have 101 Adpacks, right? Because I just bought it live in front of you guys. At $60 an Adpack, that's $6,060 right there, okay? That if I want to just run the money out today, I don't feel like repurchasing any more Adpacks. I just want to walk away with the money. 101 Adpacks. That's $6,060. I had an initial investment of $1,800. This is a no-brainer, guys. This obviously works. I made $28 from my team so far. Most people haven't even bought any packages yet. I'm trying to get people to buy packages, but it's like as soon as you tell somebody like, oh, it requires an investment, they're like, oh, but I wanted free money. It's like, well, we all want free money, you know, but that's not life. In life, if you want to build a business, because this is a business, it should be taken seriously, there needs to be a startup. What business are you going to start? In real life, that doesn't involve some type of initial capital, initial investment. You're going to have to buy equipment or office supplies, or you're going to even have to buy, maybe a suit, right? Or, whatever, So, yes, it involves an initial investment, and, maybe this isn't for everybody, but, I mean, guys, 120%. Where you can't get that in a bank. You know what I'm saying? What do you get in a bank? 1%? For the whole year. So this is FutureAdPro, guys. If you want, click the link below. It's gonna take you to this page right here. This is my page, okay? Let me see here. I think this. Hold on. Yeah, there we go, right there. So this is my page. Earn 120% passive income doing this one simple thing, which is obviously clicking on the ads, which I'll show you in a second. But basically, just enter your name, enter your email. This goes directly to me, by the way. I'm not gonna give your information out to anybody. The reason that I'm not putting the sign up page directly is because I'm tired of getting fake emails and fake names of people who just wanna, you know what I'm saying? I like to know who my teammates are. I try to get very personal with my teammates. I try to help as much as I can. I'm here for you. I can help build you a funnel like the one that I have. I can get you set up with an email system, which FutureAdPro actually has their own email follow-up sequence, which is awesome. Like they send out the emails for you. But if you'd like a little more control over it yourself, I can get you set up, no problem, with your email autoresponder. It'll send emails out for 2 weeks for you, no problem. Because the thing is most people, when they see a business opportunity, they don't take it the first time that they see it. On average, now this is a real statistic, it takes about 7 exposures. In other words, the average buyer, okay, has to see a product or see an offer about 7 times before they consider taking action on it, okay? So that's why you don't want to just send somebody to your page once and then that's it, that's it. They walk away. You want to keep being able to show them again and again and again and again your offer. Just keep showing them the offer so they can familiarize themselves with how it works. That's why I have this right here. Once you enter your email and your name, you don't have to put your name in, but like I said, I kind of like to know who I'm working with. So enter your name, first name. I don't need to know your last name. That's fine. And just check your email, check your spam. It shouldn't be in your spam. But I don't know what type of settings you have on your email. So I'll send you a message, check it. And then what that message is going to show you is an instructional video of how to use FutureAdPro. It's a video that I filmed a little bit ago. I only had like 70 Adpacks or something, but it's a really good video. Watch it. It'll show you how to watch your ads, how to purchase your Adpacks, how to pay out to your bank account if you want, or if you want to do Bitcoin, you could do Bitcoin. Look, guys, look. It was $7.49. It's $7.80. Look at that. I made like 40 cents or something or 30 cents since we just been talking right now. Just right now I made 30 cents. So you can obviously see that this works. It pays you out. You're able to withdraw once every 24 hours. It updates every 15 minutes. So yeah, this is a great platform. Futurenet, if you want to learn how to do the Futurenet side, you can. If not, like I said, this is completely passive. It requires an initial investment of your liking, and you can buy $10 if you want. You can buy a $10 ad pack. I don't suggest it because it's a waste of time, personally. The bigger you go in, the more you put in, the more you're going to get faster. Like I said, I wish I could have started. I wish I started with $5,000 because then I would have had 100 like right now, and the thing is I like to test these products and I like to test these systems before I open the doors, okay? So, I'm not going to tell somebody to just get involved in something just because I want to make a quick buck or because of whatever. No, that's not who I am. I put my money where my mouth is and I test the systems. I don't blindly go into something and just tell everybody to start buying stuff or start investing or whatever, and I haven't done the research. I haven't done the due diligence myself. That's not the kind of person I am. I'm not a scam artist, nothing like that. So FutureAdPro, Futurenet advertising program, the whole bundle, the whole package is just a phenomenal, phenomenal opportunity. And the best thing to do is just get involved right now. You know, I'm thankful that I found this business. I'm thankful that I was able to have such an awesome sponsor that showed me this, you know, and has really helped guide me, you know. And if you guys want to do marketing too, and you want to learn a little bit about maybe how to advertise, if, you know, like I said, it's passive. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to sell. If you'd like to learn how to, I can offer you Bing ad coupons, okay? For if you want to learn how to do advertising through Bing, I can give you really good, solid recommendations of solo ads. I can get you set up with some really good affiliate marketing tools. Whatever you need, it's up to you. My info is below, okay? Text me. Please don't call me because this video is like on YouTube 24/7 or wherever you're watching me right now. So like it could be 3 o'clock in the morning. You know, I don't want to wake up. Just shoot me a text. I will get back to you, or link up with me on Facebook. I can answer you on Facebook too. You know, if you want, send me an email, whatever you need to do. I'm not the kind of guy that, I do stuff for other companies too. USI Tech, MCA, Easy One Up, okay? I have teams. They text me, they call them, they hit me up, I get back to them, okay? I'm not one of those hide behind the screen kind of guys. That's not me. So, FutureAdPro, this business is going to the moon. This business is a 6-figure business, easily. I mean, guys, can you imagine when I get 1,000 ad packs? That's $500 a day. I'm already at 100. And the more you get, the faster it compounds, right? Like the compound theory. It's like, like if I give you a penny and then it's 2 pennies, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, right? But it was 6, 12, 24. But my point is that by the 30th day, okay, if you're just doubling from a penny, you can look this up, this is real math, you'll have over $10 million by the end of the month. If I just give you 1 penny and that penny doubles, okay? Compound effect. So what you do is when you get your payout over here, once you get $50, go down to new ad packs and purchase a new ad pack. That way, you reinvest, purchase, whatever you want to look at it, into the system, get more ad packs, generate more revenue, okay? Then when you get to right now is a good spot, but let's say 200 ad packs, 300 ad packs, now maybe $50 you buy a new ad pack, $250, put it in your pocket, $150, whatever it is. So, I don't know, guys. I've done a lot of marketing. I've done a lot of research. I've been scammed out of thousands of dollars. I don't even want to go into it. So I don't want to see that happen to anybody else, okay? And I only mess with things now that are solid, they're legitimate, they have long-term value, okay? I can see this company being around for another 4 years. They're only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, they're sponsoring soccer teams now. I mean, they're really, really, really doing an amazing job. So, FutureAdPro, guys, link up with me below, enter your email, I'll get back to you, and yeah, guys, let's get going. I mean, the sooner you get started, the better, I'll tell you that. Like I said, I only wish that I had put more money in this, but as of right now, I'm just going to ride it out. I got 100 ad packs, I'm feeling pretty good about this, so yeah, FutureAdPro. That's the ticket, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So, all right. My name's Kyle. It's been real. Get involved with me. Let's lock arms. I can provide bonuses. I'll help you guys out if you need help marketing, getting these in front of people's eyes, or if you just want to do it passively. Futurenet, FutureAdPro, great company, going to the moon. They're not going anywhere. Legitimate. They always pay out on time. Great customer service. That's about it, guys. That's all I can say. So link up with me below. Click the link. Put your email in. Contact me on Facebook. Send me a text. Let's get started. If there's anything you need, I'm here for you. All right, guys? So until next time, peace out.